Hello, welcome back to Capsim 2023 Round 2. This is a guide to get top sales and profit. You have a competition with 5 the other team, right? 5 other teams. So this is round 2. We just we get good sale and profit from round 1. So we just keep going with update the product in R&D, and we have added one new product in round 1 in low end segment, and we will double the sale and profit. And now we add one more product in traditional segment, so we will have double sale and profit from these two segments from round 4. Because this is long-term strategy game, so we will add investor in early rounds and lead the game with top sale and profit from round 4 and 5 on round from 6 to 8, right? So for marketing table on the screen now, you see marketing table. So we reduce the price by 50 cents for each product. Of course, we check the price of competitors, check the career report to find the optimal price, but we can use this number of price. It's okay for your game. And also we increase the promotion and sales to 1,400 to around 1,400. So you see that we have good sales and profit, much better than the other team, much better than the other team. We have much better sales and also better profit. So we calculate the sales focus based on the number of units we sold from last round, multiple by the segment growth, and we can use download and use a free Excel file to calculate in the command links. We have the link in the comments under this video and in YouTube, and then you can calculate the sales focus faster and more conveniently. We need to check the career report. To find out the growth rate of each round. May be different from game to game, and we can also calculate the production using the Excel file. You see that last round we did very well, right? We have no inventory. It is good, and also some bad. We should have more production, produce more. We should produce more last round, so we will not being stock out like this, but selling well is also a good thing. And now we can increase sale focus by add 10 or 15 or even 20% to avoid the stock out. Stock out means we have good product and good selling price, but it's not good that we produce a little, so we lose potential sales. That's why in round 2 we should add more product, about 10 or 15 or even 20% in our sales focus. And now we input the production schedule. We can adjust that. You see that we have much more demand higher than our production capacity, so we need to increase the production capacity this round to have enough capacity to produce incoming rounds. But anyway, we have limited funds for expansion, so we need to adjust a little bit. We increase automation. We also need to increase automation of traditional to 6 and low end to 8, right? So we increase automation for high end performance inside 3 other segments in later rounds, right? So one thing we need to notice to focus on is we need to add a new capacity. We need to add a new capacity for the new product and also set the automation for the new product in traditional, so we can start the production from next round. We input sale focus here. We input sale focus here, and we can add. Remember, we can add about 10 or 15 or 20% for marketing table, and also check the details in production table. We can increase account receivable to 35 days to give more favorable condition for the customer. For the stock issue, so for the finance, we use all the 3 sources of funds: stock issue, short-term and long-term loans. In round 2, we invest first. Again, this long-term strategy round game. So with 8 rounds, so we invest first and we win, gain back good sales and profit later from round 4 to lead the game on round from 5 to 8. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. If you need the support, to send the email.